So people at home, we're on the next example. Y equals 9 secant of theta plus pi over 5 over 7 minus 3. So first thing I'm going to do is under secant, I'm going to put cosine. What number are we going to look at first? The 9. Vertically it goes from negative 9 to positive 9, sort of. Minus 3 to each of them. So vertically it goes from negative 12 to positive 6. And we're all done looking at 9, we're all done looking at 3. We don't have to look at either one of those, that's done. So all this mess, we're down to two numbers, 7 and pi over 5. What do we look at first, 7 or pi over 5? 7. So it goes from 0 to 2 pi, but not really. Multiply by 7. Times 7, times 7. Horizontally, it goes from 0 to 14 pi. So one last thing we haven't looked at. Pi over 5. So what do I do? It says plus pi over 5. Subtract pi over 5 to which of them? Both. And don't screw this up here. 0 minus pi over 5 is not pi over 5. It's negative pi over 5. Okay. I'm going to rewrite 14 a different way. I'll give you a little clue right here.
70 pi over 5.
Right. So 14 is the same as 70 over 5. Again, why did I do that? Common denominator. So, 70 pi over 5. Take 69 pi over 5.
Okay, so subtracting.
Subtracting. So, and how far is negative pi over 5 to positive 69 pi over 5? 14 pi's. Okay? All right. So, let's do this. We're going to go from negative 12 to 6. So here's 6. Here's negative 12. The midpoint's negative 3. Okay, we got to go back a little bit. We're actually going to start at negative pi over 5. Okay? And we're going to end at 69 pi over 5. And what's in the middle of negative pi over 5 and 69 pi over 5? Don't simplify it yet. Well, let's do the way Meerkat said. We're taking, what do I do with negative 1/5 and positive 69/5? Add the tops and add the bottoms, we'd have 68 over 10, which is 34 over 5. 34 pi 5. I'm going to do this one first over here. Normally I do the other one over here, but I don't want to deal with the negative yet. Add the tops and add the bottoms. 34 and 69 is 103. 103 pi over what? And that doesn't simplify. Okay. And then add negative 1 over 5 and 34 over 5. You're going to get what? 33 over 10. Now, just so you understand, you might wonder, where do I put 33 over 10? Well, I have this here and I have this here. Where should 33 pi over 10 be? Right in the middle of them. So right about here, 33 pi over 10. Okay, should be right in the middle of these two. Could it have been here? I mean, let's say I accidentally drew this way over here. Should I put 33 pi over 10 over on this side?
No.
There's no way it should be on that side. If you put it on that side to put it in the middle, your graph really stinks. Okay, negatives have to be on the left, positives have to be on the right. Okay, so where are we starting this cosine graph at?
The high point.
The high point? So 0, 6?
No, negative.
Negative pi over 5, 6. Where are we going to be at 33 pi over 10 at 0?
Negative 3.
At negative 3. At 34 pi over 10, we're down here at 12, negative 12. At 103 tenths, we're back up at negative 3. At 69 fifths, we're back up at 6, which is right there.
Not done.
This, this. Okay. Any question on that one?
Not done.
We're still not done. Very good. It's a secant graph. I don't want a cosine graph. How many asymptotes?
2
Where?
as midpoints.
Negative.
the negative 3 spots. Good. At 33 pi over 10 and 103 over 10. It goes away, and it goes away, and it goes away. If you could do that one, you could do anything. Now, I'm going to give you a heads up on this. We're eventually going to have a quiz, like a quiz, not a homework quiz, but a quiz over this, okay? And are there going to be like, there'll be like 10 questions on it. Are there going to be 10 like this? No, it'd take you 2 days, okay, to do 10 of them like this. And I have no idea why, and some of you in here, I have no idea who it's going to be. Every year it surprises me. There's going to be questions, there's going to be like 1 or 2 questions like this, and there's going to be questions like this. There's going to be a question like, like that. And every year I have students go, I don't know how to do those. That doesn't even make sense to me.
Because you have to do that.
Because you have to do that in order to do this. I mean, it's kind of like saying, I can jog 5 miles, but man, I just can't jog 1 mile. It's like, yeah, you can. There's no way you could jog 5 without jogging 1. I mean, something like this, I mean, it's so, if you remember when you did these, they were pretty quick ones. I mean, what, if I was going to show my work, what would be the first thing I'd write down? Vertically what?
Negative
And 3 to 3, but plus 2, negative 1 to 5. Here's negative 1, here's 5. What did we do for the first couple of worksheets? Where did we always end at? 2 pi, pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. The midpoint was 2. And where does the sine wave start? Middle, up, and negative, down. I mean, there's going to be several questions like that. The easy ones, okay? So, but if you can do this, this has everything in it, everything, okay? How about we do this? I'm just going to give you 1 problem to work on. Just 1 to work on. This isn't even your homework. This is practice, okay? Just talking about practice, not a game. So, let's try this. Okay, how about graphing y equals negative 4 cosecant of theta plus pi over 3 over 5 plus 1. Go ahead and try that one. And this isn't for homework, it's just for practice.